Just some blood came from a statue's eyes, not to worry. The moving statues, I mean, it's something that younger people don't realize the psychological effect that had. I'm serious on our generation because it wasn't even like it was a pokey documentary it was on the news. It would be like, oh, today another statue moved.
Yeah, and 11-year-olds, we were about 11, just going, what?
Yeah, just like, hey viewers, you know everything we know about science and physics. That's all wrong because statues are magic,
And
it turns
bleeding
out. Yeah, just some blood came from a statue's eyes, not to worry. So it was in the context of being terrified. I thought it would be fun to write a book about a man who's even more terrified about everything than I was. I mean, because we do a lot of shows for kids, a lot of readings, and we ask the audience always, what are you scared of? And Chris draws pictures. So
Their fears.
a girl said ladybirds, things like that I know people are terrified. Someone said sellotape, which is actually quite a common one, just terrified by the idea of sellotape. And so there's something vaguely cathartic about saying these things out loud and then just basically mocking fear itself. We've tried to write loads of stupid jokes in a book, but I think there is a deeper thing of something about fear.
Yeah, and stupid adults being scared of telling
real.
kids to be scared of everything as well.
Yeah, like that age where you're like, that could fall up. Don't touch the thing. Yeah.